Hi there, Anders here from Z-LiveRec. I just want to show you something cool here. I have for some time been developing a multi-track USB recorder for Behringer mixers and Mackie mixers, and probably it will work for a couple of other ones as well. So, in the heart for the application is actually running it on a small, Raspberry Pi. This is Raspberry Pi 4, which I am using right now for running the application. And looking on the application, it actually looks like this. Hang on. I have loaded it on my Raspberry Pi 4. It's an application which can record from 2 channels to 48 channels over USB. And the first time you're running it, it's actually you have to do some settings and things like that. So, today I'm using my Behringer mixer. So if I'm toggling here, so I will find my Behringer mixer here in XR18. And I'm able to set the amount of channels that I want to record. In this case, I'm doing all the 18 channels. There's not possible to select certain channels. It will do it all. So. And I'm also able to toggling between a couple of different storage devices. So I have a USB stick, a fast one, which I'm actually saving all the channels on. It's a multi-track file, so it's a single file with all the tracks on it. So, which is able to be, you can read it on if you want to do post-production and things like that. You can use Logic Pro, or you can use Steinberg or Reaper or whatever really to open it up. So. And today I'm going to record a WAV file, so otherwise I have a couple of other formats as well. So I'm going for WAV. So, all right. Just to show you the complete setup here, I'm having a Raspberry Pi running Z-LiveRec on it, and I have a 64 gig memory stick on it, and I'm able to both record and replay back to my Behringer mixer over USB. I'm using a wireless router, which I'm able to connect my iPad running XR on it. So I think that is the setup really. And looking on the XR18, it looks like, as you are used to it. So it's like this, quite easy. So if I want to record, I can do, let's do like this. If I want to do some recordings here, hang on for a second. We can go to the this one. I think it's okay. So you see the mixer and you will see Z-LiveRec at the same time. If I want to do a recording here, I will move my pointer here to just click record. And as you see, I have a guitar here, so I will quite easy. So doing this, I can stop the recording now, I think. There you go. And if I go back to my iPad and go over to USB and go back to Z-LiveRec, I can actually directly. Z-LiveRec will remember which was the latest file that you were recording to. So I'm bringing that up. And we will see what's happening here. So if we can get some sound here, and as you see, the music is coming up, and let's listen on that one. So yeah, you can hear it. So quite nice, isn't it? So I took channel 2 here, but it could be any of the 18 channels here. So it's recording everything here. So And as you can see, I have a, what do you call it? Let's see, it's stopping there. So it's, there you go. If I bring it up again, this is a one of the features, new features that I have in Z-LiveRec, that I can actually transfer the locator to a point where I want to start replaying from. So what do you think about that? Quite nice, isn't it? So okay, I'm just gonna do like this. If we go back to the XR18, somebody sent me I think it's 9, 10 tracks of music, which they have recorded with a Behringer mixer or whatever. So, and it's a band from Prague, and it was quite nice actually. So I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna bring that up, the show here. We'll see. I will load the show like this, and as you can see, and back to Z-LiveRec here. Okay, there you go. And I'm gonna open that song, so like this. It's like a virtual sound check or whatever. So, and as you can see, immediately the music starts, or there was a couple of minute in here, but something happening here, and you can probably hear the drums going here. And if I mute that and go to, let's say, the bass, yeah. So you see what I'm hearing here. So, and I think we have 3 girls also singing, very nice. Fantastic, isn't it? So we can do like this. And as you see, I'm totally able to change whatever, you know, doing this, virtual sound check. So without any problem. So I think I had even a, let's see here, what I have load. I have done some remixing of the song here. I'm just gonna load this like this, okay? Just I think I had some effects here. So this is the way you can really work with Z-LiveRec in a nice manner. So and of course, in this case, I can just do the transfer here. Let's move a little bit in the end, maybe. See if I click on it. What do you think about that? As you can see, Z-LiveRec is a nice application for doing, fast, very fast recordings with your Behringer or Mackie mixer using a Raspberry Pi. Just connect it and press. On this one I have a touch GUI, and a touch screen, so it's just click on record, and it will record for, let's say I have tried 3 hours, no problem at all, to a single file, 50 gig, just drag and drop it into Logic, working perfect. So if you want to, replay it immediately, you can do that. So that's also very, very nice, I think so. So what do you think about that? Welcome and check it out, our site, www.zliverec.com. Thank you.